ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 I think all these Anidit Dhatus, you must have done homework anyway, but I have not done. Okay. I think you must have done, right?
Some of them we have
Some of them simple only. Okay, you can fill it up later. I didn't fill up. And last class, we were seeing
Handatu we have to do.
we have to do or have we done? Oh, we have
We
to
have
do.
to start. We have to start. Till that we have
Till
completed.
that, okay. So till Khandatu.
Completed.
Okay. What is the speciality of this dhatu? They are all ending with Anunasika.
Anunasikas.
So Anunasikanta Dhatavaha. What is the rule apply? Sutrapata also you can keep it open. Anunasikanta Dhatu Jaladi Prataye Pare Anunasika Lopaha Bhavati. In case of Tva and all we have seen. Lep Pratyaya comes, it is optional. One rule is that 6, 4, 20, 30 Anunasikasya Pijaloho.
Two sutras are 6, 4, 25 and 26.
Yes. 6, 4, 20,
Uh,
24
yes,
Anitaha Lahopadaya Giti. Next sutra also we saw, which is Damsha Sanja Sanjan Shapi. Then next other sutra is Anudatopadeshaha. This is what it is. Vanati Tanotyadina Anunasika Lopaha Jaladi Iti. That part of the sutra is said.
yes.
And the other sutra is Jana Sana Khadam Sanjaloho.
Three
So you
dhatus.
can see this four Angakarya sutras related to Anunasikanta. Number 1, Anunasika Lopaha Jaladi Kiting Iti Pratyaya Pare. This is number 1. I'm saying part of the sutra, that is 637 Anudato Padesha Vanati Tanotyadinam Anunasika Lopo Jali Iti. Then number 2, Janasana Khanam Sanjaloho for specific dhatus, Jansan Khan, which we have seen in Inganta also. Then the other sutra is which is Anunasika Sikvi Jaloho Giti. Oh, that is one. Okay. That is Dirgatam happens. That is one. These two are Lopa and 6, 4, 15 is Dirgatvam. Anunasika. Because this is under the Dirga Dikarata. Lope Purvasi Dirgo Anaha, right? 6, 4. Just 3, 6, 3, 1, 1 from the coming as Anuvrutti up to 6, 4 maybe up to 20 or before that. So Anunasikasya Kwijaloho 6 for 15, 6 for 37, and 6 for 42 for specific dhatus. And one more sutram is there, which is 6 for 98. Gamahana, that handhatu is there, our dhatu, which we have to deal with. You can see all these are Anunasikanta dhatu. Okay.
Yes.
Gamahana Janakhana Gasam. Lopaha Kada Niti Anangi. When not followed by a rule is that. That's okay. Followed by a Kiti Niti Prataye Pare. Okay. Then, and I think for that, Achi coming as Anuvati, Achishnu Dhatu Buro. Yeah, Achi is coming as Anuvati. This all the sutra we know, Achishnu Dhatu Buro and Yang. When Najadi Kitingit Prataya Pare, these dhatus, Gam, Han, Jana, Han, Gas. That's Anunasikanta. Upada, please note, what becomes Lopaha is Upada. Okay, Upada Yaha Lopaha Bhavati. Upada Yaha coming as Anuvati from 89. These 4 sutras you can remember. Again, I will repeat.
Yes.
Number 1, 6, 4, 16, where 15. Anunasikasya Kwijaloka by that sutra, Dirgattam happens. That is number 1. Anunasikasya Kwijaloka, Upada Dirgat. Upada is of course Anuvritti. From where? No Padayaha, all this thing we know. But take it for granted, no Padayaha. Okay. Padayaha, Anunasika, Dhatu, Kwijaloka, Giti Pratapari, Padayaha Dirgattam. See whether it connected to Yanganta, we will see. These are all the sutras related to Anunasikanta Dhatus. And number 2 is 6437. Okay. And number 3, Janasanakhanam Sanjaloho 42, 6442. The next sutra, 6498, where also we have Gam, Han, Jan, Khan, Anunasikanta Dhatu. So now, the last class, what dhatus we saw? Some Anunasikanta dhatus which we saw. Like, for example, I think we have listed here. Some Anunasikanta dhatu.
In Yanganta, whatever we have done, same thing we are doing.
So Anunasikanta dhatu, from here it starts. Jan, San, Khan. These 3 words occurred in one sutra. What is that sutra? Janakhana. 64, yeah, 42. Sanjaloho. The 3 dhatus, Anunasika, what does it say? Anunasikantasya 64, that 42 says, Attvadeshaha, Attam coming as Anuvritti. Okay, I didn't say that. Let me. 64, 42, you can see. At is coming in as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. We have seen in Sananta, becomes Jaja, right? Jaja. Jaladisan, Sanjaloho. So Anunasikasya sthane akaradesha attvadesha bhavati. Jaladi it nitrataye pare. Bit up. Now here we are doing Yanganta, but what happened that Yang comes and goes away. Therefore you don't see attvadesha happening here. Okay. Attvadesha doesn't happen. Therefore, Jandatoho Rupam we have seen in the last class.
Yes, Jay.
Janjaniti, all those things we know. Similarly for Sandhatu and Khandhatu. Khandhatu, Chankaniti and Chankanti, and with Anuswara, without Anuswara, we have forms. Okay. Fine. This Khandhatu. Okay, but where do we see the application? Okay, I think I should do 4 forms I've written, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
the
Yes,
Pratama
Chief.
Purusha Ekavachanam.
Mm.
And I told these 4 sutras. Those 4 sutras, does it find application here? Here, I mean, for this one, does 6442 apply? Atva Desha? No, doesn't apply,
Oh,
right?
yeah. You told that two sutras are important, so we must know like that, but it is not applied here.
It is not applied in Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam because young comes, young goes away. Therefore, you get a new dhatu. New dhatu will be Jam Jan is a new dhatu. Young comes, young goes away. After that, we add the Tip Pratyaya, Latlakara, right? Itagama
Yes.
is option, Janjanit. Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam we have done. Now, let me do. Okay, it will take some time, it's okay. So that this sutras will be in place. Okay, so these 4 forms are there. 4 forms for Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Ekvachanam.
Eko.
I will write that. Okay. Okay, let it be there at the end. So by default that. Now, how do I write? Okay. I'll write like this. Jan Jan is a dhat. Plus Tas Pratyaya. Latlakara. By default, I'm taking Latlakara. Okay.
Okay.
Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam. Now what Pratyaya follows? Jaladi
Apitya.
Pratyaya. Akit,
Jalati.
not, sorry, Kit Pratyaya,
Ap-
right? Apit will be
Apitya.
Nitvat.
Yeah.
Apit will be Nitvat. Therefore, Jaladi Kiti Niti Pratyaya Pare. Then what will happen to the dhatu by the sutra Jana Sana Khanam Sanjaloho by 6442? If you see Janjan plus Akit Pratyaya follows. Therefore, here the Nakara would be replaced by
Ata.
Anuswa.
Nakara should be replaced by Atmadesha, right?
Ata Desha.
Okay.
Becomes A. I will write a sutra. Now, Apadanta Nakara will become Anuswara. Anuswarasya. I'm doing Jandat. Okay. Yeah. I can do Jan plus A. Apadanta Nakarasya. Anuswarasya Parasavarnaha and all we can do. Therefore, become Jan Jan. Right?
Yes.
Then it is ending with Jan Jan. Okay. Jan Jan. So Akara is replaced by Akara. Therefore, after that, we will have the form Janja plus A. Janja. Janja plus Tas. Janjataha. Iti form. Here, this Atva Desha happened by the Sutra 6442.
42.
That is what I was telling. You can note in Lattakara. Janjata, can check the form. It must be correct, I think. Our Padantavacha Bhaktavyam, as we did here, also must be Jam Jataha. Another form also must be there.
Yes. Yes. Two forms are there.
This is Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam. Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam is enough. The same way, other Purusha Vachanam also can be done. Anti would be, this is also Sarvadhataka Pit, Nitvat Bhavati, therefore
Yeah.
Atvadesh will followed by a, not Jaladi, please note. Followed by a, not a Jaladi. Okay. Will it be Anti or Ati? What will come here?
Ati will come.
Yeah, by what tool? Because 7-4 section. Jontaha, Atmane Padeshu Anataha. When Abhyasta happens, it will be At. I don't know whether you remember, we have seen long back, and we are going to see in the Tinganta also, 7-4 section, the beginning itself. Jontaha, Atmane Padeshu Anataha, Abhyastat also, Adabhyastat. Do you see Sutra 714?
Yes. Yes.
So, Jakara of that Tiptas G Atam Ja, Jakara will be replaced by At, not Ant. Apavada to Jontaha. For Abhyastat Angat Uttarasya, Jakarasya At Adeshra, therefore it will be Ati, not Anti. Okay, please note.
Yes.
Ati. Now this is Ati is Ajadi Pratyaya. It is therefore not Jaladikita. Jaladikitingita. Therefore this cannot apply. Therefore you cannot replace this by Atta Desha. It will be Jan Jan. Jan Jan plus Ati. The form would be directly we can write Jan Janati. But another rule is sorry, Jan Jan plus Ati. Jan Jan plus Ati is Abhyasta. When Abhyasta is followed by Shna Abhyastayoho, Ataha Lopaha, and the next sutra is there in
6498. Gama hana jana khana ghasam lopaha.
yeah, okay. That is followed by Ajadi Pratya. That's what I said, yes. 6490.
8.
Yeah. What will become Lopaha is that coming as
Akar.
Anuvatti, Akara become Lopaha. For these dhatus, when followed by Kit or Git Pratyaya, 6498, that Akara will become Lopaha. Akara becomes Lopaha. We can see that Sutra 6498. Just Udaharanam. Litlakara example is given. Followed by Atus Pratyaya. Atus Pratyaya is Kit Pratyaya. Therefore, this Angasya Akarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Anga having Akara not at the end, where Anga as Akara. So this Akara goes away. Therefore, you get Jagmatuhu. This is one example, Litlakara example. Now we are having the example of young Lukanta. So applying this rule. So this rule applies. You can see now. So therefore, this Jan after that Jakara, then Nakara is there. So here we can apply this rule 6492. Angasya Akarasya Lopaha Bhavati Ajari Kiti Niti Pratyahe Pare. 92, right?
98.
Or 98. 6492 is Mitamra Swaha. Okay. Then Nikara plus Jakara. Then I think when Jakara plus Nakara, Shuttam can happen, right?
Ah.
Between Jakara and Nakara, Shuttam possible. Therefore, this one
Yeah.
becomes Nakara.
Dakar.
Once it becomes Jakara, Nakara, it becomes. So we therefore we have the form, right? Yeah. Then Janyati, the form would be
Yes.
Janyati. Or optionally will be this also may be possible.
Only 2 forms he has given.
Only?
2 forms. What we have written, that must only.
That's what it is, two forms, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So with Anuswara Desha, Padanta Vacha Vaktavyam, therefore Anuswara Desha. Without Anuswara, I mean, Parasavarna, yes, written. Okay. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So now we, having done all the forms, I will put everything together. So therefore, Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, Janjaniti, Janjaniti, Janjanti, Janjanti. Then Pratama Purusha Dvivachanam, Janjataha, Bhagavatanam. The same way we can do for others. Just we will try. So here we have 4 forms. Only for this dhatu we will do all other forms, other dhatus same. So here the forms would be here the form would be Jan, Jani, Chakara, She, Shatam happens, right? C,
Yes, sir.
right? Right.
Mm.
Then Paras, this Anudata, Pradantavacha Vaktavyam, therefore this can also be there. Then we have Jan, Nakara,
Jan,
and then see Apadanta Nakara become Anuswara, and Paraswana cannot happen. But this Anuswara, yeah, that is your optional here. There it will become Jan, Jam, C. Is it correct? You can see.
yes.
If you know,
Yes, sir.
if you write one form, it's okay. Other form, it's simple. This Anuswara can be replaced by Parasvarna optionally. So if you have this form, Jan Janishi, Jam Jam Si, yeah, Jan Jam Si, it cannot become Shatva. So other 2 forms, of course, Parasvarna, because Padanta Vacha Vaktavyam, Parasvarna will be optional. Similarly, Bhagavachanam, where the Pratyaya is me. Pratyaya is me. So for the form will be Jan Janimi, Jam Janimi, or Jan Janimi, right?
Yes, sir.
And here it will be Jan plus me, Jan me, or Jan me.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Done, right? Now here, from here we have to do. So only Pratyaya will change. All are Sarvadhataka Apita Nitvat Bhavati. Therefore we can change only the Pratyaya. The form will be same. Right? And here also Bhagavachanam will be Tha is a Pratyaya, right? Sipthastha. So Janjata. Oh sorry. Here. I think it's correct only.
Correct.
Janjata. Correct only. So here
Yes, sir.
also, here Ajadi Pratyaya, here not Ajadi. Therefore, here also what will happen? This Upada,
Dir.
Yata Dirgaha, so that will happen. Then Jataha. So I'll just copy this. Please note. Pratama Purusha Bhagavachan Ajadi Pratyaya.
Okay.
Dvivachanam is Haladi Pratyaya. So copying this and removing the Visarga. Form will be same.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
I'm not doing anything, same thing, right? Because
Same,
Tas
yeah.
Pratyaya, Tas, what the
Correct.
difference? Same thing.
Mm.
Same thing here also in here, we can do the same. Here, what will happen? Here it is, we have Vas and Mas.
Vasan.
Vas will be Vaha. So will Dirghatam happen? It is not a Jal letter at all. So how
Mm.
Okay.
Dirghatam will happen? Will not happen. So Jan Jan. So Jan Jan Vaha or Jan Jan Vaha it would be, right?
Yes.
Same
Same
thing over there. Maha.
here also. Once we did replace the last letter only. Maha. So therefore 6498 applies and 6442. Maybe I will write for Anunasi Kanta Dhatu Nam Vishaye Etani Sutrani Etesham Sutranam Etesham Sutranam application. एतेषां सूत्राणां यथा यथा सन्दर्भं किं करणीयं, we have to apply एतेषां सूत्राणां यथा सन्दर्भं we have to प्रयोगः कर्तव्यः. Okay. What are those sutras? Number 1, 6, 4, 37, 42. Then what I said is for 90, 90 something, 95, yeah, 98,
98.
98.
98 and 6, 4, 15 also. So 15 also. So in the order you can, ascending order.
15,
16.
6, 4, 15 or?
Yeah.
What is Sutra? Anunasika Sekvijaloho.
Dirghatvam you said, no? By 6, 4, 15.
15, 15. Yes. 15. The sutra we can, I will write later. These 4 sutras you can remember. You can apply where it is applicable. So here it is applicable, we can see. Similarly, for other dhatus, the Charnasika dhatus we have done, like San dhatu, specific rule is just San, Jana, Sana, Khan, right? We have to apply. I'm not doing, you can apply. Okay, then Han dhatu we will do. Did I miss any other dhatu? Han dhatu. Okay. There are so many Anunachika dhatus are there. Did I do Gam dhatu? I think Anunachika dhatu we are doing first, right? So it means we have not done Gam.
We just started doing.
Yeah, Anunachika.
Anunachika.
So let's do Gam and An because Am will take later. Gam dhatu. Gam dhatu abhyasa. Simple. Form would be Gam Gam. Then this becomes Ga. Then Anunachika Sya. Nuk Anunachika Agama. Nuk Agama will come. And Nuk also Anuswara. Anuswara se Parasavarnaha.
Kuhoschu,
And Kugoshtuga
Jakara.
also will apply. Sorry. So Kugoshtuga will apply. Therefore Gam. Jangam. Jangam Yamana Pariyanti Modaha comes, right?
Yes.
So it happens. So I think it is Jangam or Jam Gam also possible. Right?
Yes.
Okay, I will retain like Nukagama so that we can do option form. Jan Gam. Okay. So that form would be now here only. Anuswara Paraswana Paraswana Desha we do Jangam. Jangam plus T. Then we have E Agama. Therefore Makara plus E Miti. Jangam Miti one form.
Yes. Correct.
This we have done. Okay. The another one will be, I'm doing the same pattern now. Jam, then Gam, Jam plus Ga, Miti. This is another form. Okay.
Okay.
It's Itagama.
Without Itagama. So without Itagama, Jam, Gam plus Tip. Makara followed by Nashtapadanta Sijali, Parasavarnaha, Jangan. So Janganti it would be. Or optionally, Janganti.
Yeah.
The same way here also, Gam Dhatu, among the 4 dhatus. 4 dhatus, which is Gam Dhatu, one sutram is there, Janagana, Gama, Gam Dhatu, that will apply. You can try for Sarvadhatu Kapit Pratip and Anti. You can try that. I'm not doing it now. You can.
Yes.
But it is there in 6-4. 98 is there. Gamahana, there you can see that Akara goes away. right? If you remember, we can do the whole form. It's not big, difficult. It's easy only. For Gam Dhatu, actually see, there's already these forms we have done. This form already we have done, right? Gam Dhatu. And here it will be Jam. Okay. It is Janga. Janga, then Makara. Makara plus
See,
here that E Tagama will come. E, that is she.
Yes.
Sorry. The E to here.
Mishi,
Me, she.
Mishi.
Sorry. Me, she. Janga, me, she, one form. And other one will be with Anuswara. That is Jangamishi. Other ones, Itagama is optional. Therefore, here the form would be
Jangam, Jangam, see, Jangam, see.
Jangam, then Makara plus no Itagama, then Jangam plus sorry, Apadanta Makara will become Anuswara, Jangam Si. Parasavarna cannot happen.
Mm.
And other one will be with Parasavarna, Jangam Si. Right?
Yes.
This must be the form. Similarly, here also, just copy paste the same. So here we have Makara plus Me Pratyaya. Therefore, me, right? And here also me. And this is not a, me is not a jal. So will not become Anuswara. Nakara will be there. Similarly, here also me, Nakara will be the Jangan me. You can check the form. Then Tasprataya. When Tasprataya follows, so I will take first Jang, Gam, with Anuswara. Pratyaya is Tas. When followed by Tas Pratyaya, what will happen? Anunasikasya Anudata Upadeshaha, that Makara, when followed by Jaladikit Pratyaya, this Makara will go away. Sutra is 6437, I think. Anudata Upadesha Vanati Tanotyadi Nam. Right?
Yes.
So, sorry, not that one or 6498. Janasana Khana Savisa. Because Gamdata we have to see whether it is Anudata Upadesha Dhatu. Anudata Upadesha Vanati Tanotyadi. Gamdata is Anudata Upadesha only. Yes, correct only. Yeah. When followed by Jaladi Kit Pratyaya follows. Here Jaladi Kit Pratyaya follows. Okay.
That Makarasya Lopa will be there.
Makarasa Lopaha happen. Okay. I will write here so that I can refer one minute. This 6415 says
Upada
6415 says
Dirgatvam, you said.
Dirga
Upada
Desha.
Dirgatvam.
Right?
Yeah.
Dirga Desha. I will write the sutra later. That's for our lesson.
Mm.
6437 says the Taradata Padesha Lopaha happens. Right? Anunasika say Lopaha. 6442 says for the
Ata Desha.
Ata Desha. Atom.
Yeah.
And 6498, what we saw Janasana, Gana Janahana Kana Gamam. Lopaha Bhavati. What will become Lopaha? Upada Lopaha. Please see. Because Upada coming as Vanuti. Upada Lopaha Bhavati, and that too very specific when Ajadi Pratyaya follows. So here Ajadi Pratyaya doesn't follow. Here what follow is Haladi Pratyaya. Therefore, we have to apply the sutra. Among these four, which one will apply? You have to apply 6437. Understand?
Yes,
Please see.
Anunasika lopa. Okay.
Here two lopas are there.
Mm.
One lopa is Ante Nakara lopa, Anunasika lopaha. Anunasika at the end. Antya
oh,
Anunasika
Anunasikasya lopa.
Anunasika lopaha. And here Upada is lopa.
Mm.
And these two are Atum and Dirghadesha. So between these two, which one will apply? Antyarunasika lopa.
Anti
Because
Anunasika
this
lopa.
Upada lopa has a condition of Ajadikit Pratyaya. Therefore, that will not apply for Tas Pratyaya. It will apply for Anti. That we will see. Okay.
Mm.
Yes.
So therefore, this goes away by 6437. Therefore, Jangantas, Jangantaha, one form. Other form will be Jang,
Shangatita.
Gataha. Let's check the form, it must be same, correct only. And here will be, here it is Ati. So the form is Jang, Gam, follow Jangam. That is a form plus Ati. Join that Jangamati on form. Other form would be Anuswara is there. Anuswara and Ga, Gam plus Ati, Jangamati. I think this form will be, can check. Anasikasya. Here, sorry, Ajadesha, right? Ati Prate Pare. Yeah. This Akara goes away. Lopa, right? Ajadi Prate Pare Upada, this Jangam is there. Jangam plus Ati. Upada Akara goes away. Therefore, you will have like this. So the form would be Jangamati. Similarly here also. Upada Akara goes away. Therefore, Jangmati. Now you can check the form would be correct.
Yes.
Jangmati.
Now correct.
Upadakara lopaha happens by what sutra among the four?
Upada.
By
6498.
98.
6498. Okay.
Mm.
Jina, 1,
That is
2.
Hmm.
Dvivachanam, yeah.
There,
These here not Ajadi, Aladi. Yeah. What should
So,
tell me?
no.
Anuswarasya parasarna would happen, I think.
Correct.
Huh?
That Anuswarasya, it will become Jam and that.
Yes, correct. Now you are talking about Anuswara.
Yeah,
Oh,
Anuswara is
sorry.
there and then Gakara is
Oh,
there.
okay. It's
Okay,
okay
that
now.
will not.
Now
Yeah,
is
Yeah,
now
yeah.
it's
okay.
correct.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now here Taha and Tha will be same. So here we'll have Jang, then Jang Gam plus Ta, which sutra will apply, followed by Haladi, Giti Prataye Pare, Jaladi. Okay, Jal letter. Can take it as Jal.
So
So therefore,
6437,
6437
Anunasik.
applies now.
Yeah,
Anunasikasya,
Lopa.
Japa Jangantaha. Same thing here, Jang, then Ga, Jangataha, same. Okay, I just copy this.
1 3 same as though no visarga. That's
Yes. Similarly here. So here also, Jang, Ga, Gam is there, Vasprataya, followed by not a Jal letter at all. This is not a Jal letter. So nothing happens here, right? Only when followed with Jal and all, only the rules are there. Followed by Jaladikit Prataya, right? Those rules. Here not there, therefore nothing happens. Apadantamakara only become Anuswara, followed by Jal, no sorry, not followed by Jal also. Is it followed by Jal? No. Like here what we did, Aschapadantasya Jali, then Monuswaraha. Yeah. So it must be Janganvaha. Then check. Fine. Nothing happens here. Similarly here, Jang, then Gam, Vaha. Same thing I will copy for Mas.
But
Jangan.
Nakara, yes, given. I don't know.
Nakara?
Janganvaha, Jang, not Makara. Nakara is there.
So it means this Makara has become
Yes,
Anuswara.
he has
Ah,
used 8 to 65.
Some
most.
extra sutra.
Ah,
That's what some extra sutra comes, which we have not seen. Okay, we'll do. What is the sutra you said? 8 to
8 to 65. Ji.
66 Sajishoru.
Ah,
Most. Yeah, okay.
those.
Most. So it means Makara and Vakara. Moho cha. What chakarat from the previous sutra? Makara kamya sarurati. Okay. Makara Vakara Yoho Parataha. This sutra first time I think I'm saying application.
Mm, but
Makara
everything looks first.
No, this is most first
Yeah,
time we are
this
doing. I
is
think we are
really
not doing.
first. Yeah, we are not sick.
Makara Vakara Yoho Parataha Makarantasya Dhatoho Dhatu Nakara Desha Bhavati. So Makaranta Dhatu
Okay.
Oh,
Makaranta
you get
Dhatu when
Nakara.
followed by Makara Vakara. Follow by Makara Vakara means it must end Uttama Purusha Dvivachan Bhagavachan. Right?
Only there.
Yeah, only for that.
And for Makaranta Dhatu. That Nakara Desha comes. Once Nakara comes, Anuswara, Parasana, become Anuswara, Nashabadanta Sijali will apply. So this Makara, when followed by Vakara, this is a Dhatu. Sanadyantaha Dhatavaha by the Dhatu Sanya, followed by, when followed by
Nakara.
Makara, Vakara. Here Vakara
Makara.
follows.
Mm.
So this becomes Nakara, number one. And Nashyapada, Apadanta Nakara only. Nashyapadanta Jali will not apply because this is not a Jal. So Jang and
Not a
Maha
job.
only form. Okay, this also note I have to write somewhere. Okay, I will write a note.
Afterwards, we will be.
இப்ப நல்ல ஞாபகம் இருக்கும்
No.
அப்புறம் மறந்தோம். Jang and Maha. So I'll put here footnote. Most, right? Number
Yeah.
is 8 to
8 to
8 to
65.
65.
iti sutrena. The Kashika Vritti I will just copy. Makara Vakarayoha Parataha Makaranta Sedatoho Nakara Deshaha Bhavati. Okay. You want me to stop here?
Yes, Ji, if you don't mind.
Other dhatus, similarly, you can try. This is interesting because this has nothing to do with young specifically. This is general. You can try. We'll do other dhatus later.
Mm.
Only Makara ending dhatus we can take.
Dhatus, yeah. Makara ending dhatus. Makarantasya dhatoho. I will highlight.
Followed by Vakara and Makara.
So it means Uttama Purusha, Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam.
Mm.
Mainly you will see. Another place also, but for our application. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. Please take care.
Dhanyawada, Ji.
Wish you,
Yeah, thank you, Ji. Thanks a lot. Really need your blessings today.
yes.
Yeah,
All the
Meditate
best.
better.
thank you, Parvati Ji. ಇದು ಅನ್ಪುವೇಲ Ji. Will you send
Nanparam.
this?
Nanparam. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Kshamyatamji.
Soma.
Yeah. The Prakash ji, your student has called actually.
Eppa
He
vaadu?
sent he
They
sent the
stopped.
message about the sorry.